can I do plus mark here? Yes. So guys, I want you all to be aware of the Java versions. Now this can be quite confusing if you actually look into the documentation. In fact, I would suggest you look into it. The naming conventions in programming world is always messed up, believe me, whether it is Java, whether it is .NET, whether it is C# or anything. Naming conventions is all messed up big time. Why? That's because when they release one thing, they would not have thought about various other things which might pop up in the future. So when they release something, they'll just go with a very simple conventional naming factor, but then as and when they diversify into different packages and things like that, they'll they will feel the need to be more specific and more simple, and that gives rise to some confusions as well, at least initially to start with. Now this whole story happened with .NET also. You had the full-fledged .NET, and then you had the the core .NET Core also, which ran on all platforms, and then there was completely mismatch of all APIs. So this is bound to happen. Nevertheless, you need to simplify it. Like even I had a tough time initially when I read about this, especially for almost about in between 2 or 3 years. I had moved on completely to .NET Core development and away from Java and the world of Android. And when I came back, it was like, okay, what version is what? And that happens. Even though you've read now, you are out of touch with it for a few months or years, and you will just forget it. So initially, when they released Java, it was just, they just called it JDK 1.0. No specific name. And I don't know why they decided to just name the version after JDK. JDK, after all, was just one tool, or it was more of a development kit. They think it is significant enough, so they just said JDK 1.0. That we actually consider Java 1. So the one which you see here in gray patches, these are called labels. You put it by using these. So why I have put it here is the ones which you see in the nodes here, they're all official names. The ones which I've put it in labels in gray is how people remember it, or even I remember it. It's easy for me to remember it that way. Technical product names are not so memorable. Okay. When they got to the second version of Java, then you see they introduced this J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. They just continued this notion and made it 1.2. That's really strange, because it's either the second version or an improvement on the first version, but they kind of mixed both. Nevertheless, in the subsequent versions, they fixed that. They left off this one, and they just started retaining the last decimals. For example, J2SE3, J2SE4, J2SE5. So this was from 1998 to 2004. So I would just remember it as Java 2 to 5. And then they eventually, okay, first of all, why did they introduce Java 2 Standard Edition? Because they had some other editions also. Java 2 Enterprise Edition, Java 2 Micro Editions, and so on and so forth. That's a big story there. So you would want to take a look at that as well. Because right now, I just want you to have a bird's eye view of versions. If I start diving into detail about it, it'll be overhead transmission for sure. Okay. Then eventually they just left out all these 2 and S. They just say Java Standard Edition 6. So that was from 2006 to 2014. They ended up with Java Standard Edition 8. And this was a huge milestone version. That is why I put this flag here. A lot of things happened here, especially in Java Standard Edition 8, or simply called Java 8. Java 8 introduced quite a few things which was not there. It was much more capable, robust, strong, with some more modern features, which we'll see later. So it's a milestone version. Since then, what I believe was they are releasing 2 versions every year. one in March, one in October. And that is why you see we've moved from 8 from 2014 to 17 in 2021. That's quite a lot of versions, because in 1 year you get 2 versions. In fact, on my machine, I think I have Java 16. Whereas if you go ahead and download the latest version, you might get 17. Shouldn't be much of a problem between 16 and 17. Any questions here?
No, sir.
Is it clear? Can everybody give me a clear yes, no, kind of, maybe, whatever response?
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. That's awesome. Thank you. So, irrespective of what all 1.2, J2SE, JDK, whatever you see, the simplest way, at least I feel, is to just remember it as Java 1, Java 2, Java 5, Java 6, Java 8, all the way until Java 17, which was released just about a month or a month and a half back, Java 17. And in March was Java 16. Some of the authors, some of the document blogs, which you see, they also just use the simple. In fact, they don't even use SE. That's why it's good. I've just put it in the label. So they just used whatever I put it in label. It is not official, but it's a lot more easier to read and remember. The official names is this. So there is some history, geography I've given about this, all these things here. So if you open these, it opens up a small note window. So you can also add this. Now let's say once I give these files to you, you would want to add some more things. So I'll just click here and you will click on note and just open a clean note here. So you can just type it everything. So in one frame, see, you can actually keep links, you can keep notes and hyperlinks. The full version of this allows you to put in a lot more other things like multimedia as well. But for now, we should be good to go with this lightweight version. So let me just dock it